Want to absolutely wreck your 20s? Like turn them into a dumpster fire so legendary future you will send hate mail? Perfect. Let's do this. Step 1. Treat your credit card like it's Monopoly money. See that neon green couch shaped like a dinosaur? Buy it. You need it. Sure, you'll eat ramen for 3 months, but think of the Instagram likes. Pro tip, ignore the interest rates. Adulting is a myth, right? Just keep swiping until the machine says declined. That's the sound of freedom. Next up, sleep is for the weak. Stay up till 3 a.m. Binge watching cat videos, then drag yourself to work looking like a zombie extra from The Walking Dead. Your brain will be foggy, your patience non-existent, and your coworkers will nickname you Grumpy McNoSleep. But hey, at least you saw that video where a kitten wears a tiny hat. Worth it. Now, relationships. Find someone who's literally a walking red flag. You know the type. Calls you clingy if you ask how their day was. Forgets your birthday but remembers their exes. But they have a cute dog, so you stay. Bonus points if they say, I'm not ready to label this while texting their other ex. Ha, love. Don't forget to stalk social media 24/7. Your friend from high school bought a house? Your cousin's engaged? That guy you met once is hiking the Alps? Perfect. Compare your life to theirs obsessively. Never mind that they're secretly drowning in debt or using filters. Your 20s should feel like a never-ending race where you're somehow always last. Here's the golden rule. Avoid anything that smells like personal growth. Meditation? Cringe. Therapy? Too mainstream. Instead, bottle up emotions until you cry at a car commercial. Skills? Who needs them? Just say, I'll figure it out later, while binge watching TV. Spoiler, later never comes. But hey, you'll definitely nail that Netflix trivia night. Lastly, fear mistakes. Terrified of failing? Good. Never try anything new. That dream job? Too competitive. That hobby? I'll suck at it. Stick to your comfort zone where it's cozy and sad. Remember, regret is way more fun than risking embarrassment. Who needs stories when you can have safety?